Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell products from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C so you can bridge high-quality sourcing with a professional storefront in 2026. Let's get into it. First, link your Wed2C store. The first move is authorizing the connection between your sourcing powerhouse and your sales platform. Sign up and log in to your CJ Dropshipping account. On your main dashboard, hover over the store icon in the left sidebar. From the menu that appears, select Install App, the one with the plus icon. Choose Wed2C and click Link Account. In 2026, manual order entry is a thing of the past. Linking your account creates a digital bridge that allows customer data to flow automatically from Wed2C to CJ for fulfillment without you lifting a finger. Next, choose and sync products. Now that the bridge is built, you can start populating your store with trending items from the CJ catalog. Browse the CJ catalog, find a winning item, and click on the product to open its details. Click the Add to Store button located on the product page. This step serves as your drafting phase. It pulls all the technical data like weights, shipping origins, and high-res images into a staging area so you can refine the product's identity to match your specific brand voice before it goes live. Lastly, adjust details and launch. The final step is fine-tuning the listing and setting your profit margins to ensure your business is sustainable. Within the Add to Store window, adjust the product title, description, and variants. Scroll to the pricing section to set your selling price before finalizing. Generic descriptions don't sell in 2026. By customizing these details, you differentiate your store from thousands of other dropshippers. Setting your price here ensures your profit is locked in after CJ takes their cut for the product and shipping. And that's pretty much it. To get started, link your Wed2C account through the CJ Install App menu, select your products, and use the Add to Store button to customize your details. Once you hit Confirm, your items are ready for the world to see. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.